first impressions matter. The entrance sets the tone for the entire home, welcoming, sophisticated, and seamlessly blending style with purpose. Where conversations begin and memories are made. This living room is designed for warmth, comfort, and timeless elegance. A space where creativity meets functionality. The kitchen isn't just for cooking, it's for crafting experiences, one dish at a time. An essential yet often overlooked detail. A wash basin that complements the space, bringing in both aesthetics and practicality. Where flavors and family come together. The dining room is more than a place to eat. It's a place to connect and share moments. A retreat within your home. The master bedroom offers a perfect balance of comfort, tranquility, and personal style. Designed for versatility, the common bedroom adapts to needs, whether it's for guests, family, or a personal sanctuary. A clutter-free home starts with smart storage. The storeroom ensures organization without compromising on space aesthetics. Every corner of this space is thoughtfully designed, balancing beauty and utility. Which part of the home speaks to you the most? Let us know.